Hello everyone, welcome to our crypto channel. In today's session, we are going to discuss the current move of Bitcoin. We are going to discuss about market. We are going to discuss about Bitcoin dominance, what may happen in altcoin also. So if we take a look in this crypto market, then our crypto market is somewhat green and somewhat red. We can say this our crypto market is neutral now. So what may happen in Bitcoin? If you want to know, then you have to watch this video till end. If you have any problem regarding any crypto coin, any types of trade, then you can message me on Telegram. Link is in the description box. So let's talk about our Bitcoin. So if we take a look on this Bitcoin chart, this is our 4-hour chart of Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin is trading under this parallel channel, parallel downtrend channel. So this channel is almost a bullish channel if Bitcoin break this upper trend line zone. Let me highlight this zone. If Bitcoin break this upper trend line zone, then Bitcoin will become a very bullish. So what may happen is now in some of my previous update, I told that Bitcoin will dump to this zone, that is 78.5k to 80.8k zone, and same how happened. Bitcoin took a support from this zone and dumped to this zone. Then Bitcoin took a pump, and Bitcoin pump approx 7% from this zone. So now what may happen is if Bitcoin break this zone, this upper trend line zone, then Bitcoin will definitely going to pump $95,000 zone. And here we have a resistance in our 4-hour time frame. We have a resistance over this zone, that is our $95k zone approx. So what is going to happen in Bitcoin is Bitcoin will break this zone, this upper trend line zone, then Bitcoin will retest and then Bitcoin will pump. And if we talk in our 4-hour, 1-hour time frame, we have a resistance over here. Let me show you. We have a resistance over this zone. This is our $86,000 zone. We have a resistance. Here a small type of resistance over this zone, and Bitcoin will take a dump from this zone also. This zone. This is our $86,000 zone. So what is going to happen? I am going to give you a clear picture. So watch this carefully. So Bitcoin will break this trend line. Then Bitcoin will retest this zone, and then Bitcoin will pump to $95,000 area. So what is going? First, Bitcoin will reject from this zone in 1-hour time frame. That is our let me highlight this zone. That is our $86,000 zone. First, Bitcoin will retest to this zone. This is $86,000 zone. First, Bitcoin will reject from this zone in 1-hour time frame. Then we will see a retest in 4-hour time frame. That is going to be this trend line zone, and then Bitcoin will took a pump to $95,000 zone. Let me give you a clear picture again once. Let me once. So let me clear the chart first. So this is our trend line zones. What is going to happen is Bitcoin will break this trend line. Then Bitcoin will took a dump from this $86,000 zone, and this will become a retest in 1.4-hour time frame. So Bitcoin will retest this zone. Then Bitcoin will come to $95,000 zone. This is most likely going to happen in Bitcoin. So you can trade accordingly, and this is our 4-hour time frame of Bitcoin. So this will help you in your intraday trades. Now let's talk about our altcoins and Bitcoin dominance. So Bitcoin dominance is trading on this very strong resistance zone. This is very strong resistance zones. Bitcoin will Bitcoin dump from this zone almost 2 times, and now it reached to this zone on third time. So what is now going to happen is if Bitcoin break this zone, then it will not be very good for altcoins, because if Bitcoin pump and Bitcoin dominance also pump, then altcoin will not pump as much as they can. But if Bitcoin pumps and this dominance rejected from here, then we are going to see a very good pump in altcoin. But you will get this short term update in my Telegram channel only. So you have to join the Telegram channel for quick type of updates. And link is in the description box. And if you have any other problem regarding any coin, any trade, then you can message me directly on my Telegram channel.